Okay, moving on to John from Atmore. John, what's your question?
I filed bankruptcy, Chapter 13, in 2001, and in 2004 I became disabled and wasn't able to work. And after I contacted my attorney, they set me up on a plan where I had to make monthly payments in a larger lump sum in order to finish the monthly payments out, which I wasn't able to meet because my disability and stuff hadn't started. So my bankruptcy got dismissed. And I was just wondering, what could I do to try to get back in to try to finish it out or whatever to make it right?
What it sounds like, you're running out of time in your Chapter 13. You only have 60 months under the old law. And you were just running out of time. Sometimes that happens. You know, we can add, you know, if you add mortgage arrearage or anything like that, you get to a point where you're just running out of time. The code only allows you to pay back in 60 months. So if you've been dismissed and the injunction period is run, you know, it's usually 90 days, contact an attorney and see if they can get you back in.
Okay, well, how successful would he be at doing that? Is it typically easy to do that?
He shouldn't have any problems.
Okay, so can you just basically go, you can just go from bankruptcy to bankruptcy?
It just really depends.
File and refile?
If he's been dismissed in the last 12 months, we'll have to actually file a motion and have a hearing to extend that stay. So that's one of the new changes also. So it just depends on when he was dismissed.